In this video, I am going to guide you about using the SpotHero app effectively. This tutorial will help you save time and avoid parking hassles. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Download and install the SpotHero app from your app store. 2. Open the app and sign up or log in with your credentials. 3. Enter the address or location you need parking for in the search bar. 4. View the list of available parking spots in the area. 5. Compare prices, amenities, and distance to find the best option. 6. Select your preferred parking spot and tap on it for more details. 7. Review the parking instructions, photos, and terms before reserving. 8. Tap Reserve and proceed to the payment section. 9. Confirm your reservation and receive your parking pass via email or app. 10. Use the provided instructions to navigate and access your parking spot. SpotHero simplifies parking, saves you time, and ensures a hassle-free experience.